Hey there again. Here we have a Kia Sorento, and I did say that I was going to make a video on how I clear coat the headlights instead of buff them. So I'll just be doing a video on that today. Here are the lights right now. This may not be the cheapest method, but in my opinion, the headlights, you won't make them look better than this. Buffing is good too, but that'll only last maybe a few months. Though this will last you years if you do it right and do all the necessary steps for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you will need. So this is pretty much what you will need. I have the spray bottle. You can buy it Lowe's for like $5. I have 3M sandpaper for 600, 1000, and 2000 grit. You can buy this at Advanced Auto Parts. I don't think AutoZone sells it. I buy them in full sizes. I cut this down into 8 pieces like this. And we use about 2 600s, 2 1000s, and 1 2000 per headlight. Also got some masking tape, my paint gun, the plastic sheets to cover the car, and I have 2-to-1 High Solids clear coat. Not the best brand, but it does really good. So now that we are ready to sand, we are going to tape around the headlights just so we don't scratch the car while we're sanding. Okay, I just wanted to stop and point out a few things. When you're sanding, you want to make sure you take off all the clear coat. Where it was the worst, that's where it comes off the easiest. But it's right here, like spots like this where it's darker, that's where the clear coat is still there, and you want to sand that off. So this whole bottom part has the clear coat. You want to sand that until it's equal with the rest of the light, because you will see that after you apply it. And also, right here at the top, let's see if I can get this focused. It has heavy like stress marks right here. 600 has a hard time getting it off, so I'm gonna go over it with 320, not the whole light, just where the scratches are, and then I'll take it back off with 600. Okay, now we're done sanding. We are ready for clear coat, but first we're gonna throw on that plastic wrap so none of the car gets overspray on it. Now that the car is wrapped up, I will go ahead and get a clean shop towel, wet it with water and dish soap, and lightly clean off the headlights so that there is no grease or anything left behind. That way the clear coat sticks really good on it. Both lenses are now wiped down, and make sure you do not touch the lenses after you wipe them down, not to get any grease from your hands on the lenses. All we have left to do is tack rag and apply 2 coats of clear coat. Alright, so here's after the first layer. I accidentally forgot to hit record on this side, so there's the passenger side. And there's the driver. We're gonna put one more coat on it. I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes to dry before I apply the second coat. Okay, second layer is done. And these are looking pretty great. I'm gonna let them dry out for about 30 minutes, take off the plastic, and we'll take it outside to see what it looks like. So this is what the car looks like now. I wanted to get done before the sun went down, but it took a while to dry. Pretty sure you can see how much better it is though. Got like a rainbow effect to it even. This is why I recommend clear coating over buffing, because the result is just way better and it lasts a long time. I mean, look how much better the car looks with clean headlights. I'm pretty happy about it. I know many of you would do something differently. But I mean, as long as you get a good result, it's all that matters. So let me know if you guys what you guys think, and even if you would do something differently, let me know. I want to hear what you have to say about it.